So we're in the high lock song. So now, make up stories about it or whatever. By the way, you know when you all sing together and everybody's song voice sounds extra powerful? Okay, good. So, because this is good, right? Okay, good. Everybody, I like the way that your feet are front and back. Awesome. I like the way that your hands are up. Good job. Do I want your elbows out like chickens or in like kangaroos? Good job. Now, let's do the high block song. Ready, set, go. High block to the sky. High block, way up high. Aye! Okay, good. Let's do the high as the chorus. So if you don't even know the song, because you haven't been doing your stalking of me lately, that's fine. We'll do it again. Ready, set, go. High block to the sky. High block, way up high. Aye! Two more. This is the last high out of the ready? I want that thing to actually fall. Ready, set, go. High block to the sky. High block, way up high. Nice. Okay, so
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.